Assalamu alaikum. Plane angle or angle can be measured with the help of several units. Among these units, degree and radian are the most used one. In this video, we are going to discuss about these two units of plane angle. Apart from that, we will also find the relation between these two. For that, I consider a circular path with the center O. Now, let's take one object of the circular path which moves along it in this particular direction. Now, I connect this line, this center with the object with the help of a line. Now, when this object moves along the circular path, suppose it reaches to a new position after some time t. When it reaches to a new position, this line which has connected the particle to the center of the circle also will move along with it. Okay, this might be the new position of that line. Now, the angle which is swept by this line when the object moves along the circular path represents the radian. Okay, I take it as a theta. This angle is taken as theta. Now let me define radian. What is radian? Radian is defined as the length of the arc, length of the arc divided by its radius, divided by its radius, divided by radius of the arc. Now, when the radian or the angle swept will be considered as 1 radian, there is a condition for that. If the length of the arc is equal to its radius, then the angle swept will be nothing but 1 radian. What is the condition? Condition for theta to be equal to 1 radian. Here, radian is represented by the abbreviation rad. This is the abbreviation of a radian. Remember this? Okay, let's go ahead. What is the condition for this? Here the condition is that the length of the arc, must be equal to radius of the arc. Radius of the arc. Radius of the arc. Correct? This is the condition. Now I am going to substitute this one here in the above equation. So what I am getting to do so here. In place of radian, I take it as a theta, the length of the arc. Here radius of the arc is again taken as length of the arc. So in the place of radius of the arc, we take a write the length of the arc because both are equal according to this condition. Length of the arc. And if you want, you can keep this as such, and in the place of length of the arc, you can write the radius of the arc. Both are correct. Okay. Now, if we divide this two, what we get is nothing but both are same, na? On dividing this two, we get 1. I told you it is measured in radian. So, the angle shift will be considered as 1 radian when the length of the arc is the length of the arc. And the length of the arc is equal to the radius, is the radius. Right? Now suppose seems that you can take it as S and the radius is taken as R. If you divide S with R, you will get a 1 radian. Only if they are equal to each other. Got it? This is what is the definition of a radian. I hope you have understood. Now let's move to discuss about the degrees. This degree. Degree is another unit of the measurement of angle, which is swept by the line which connects the center to the particle which moves along the circular path. Right? Actually, a degree gives the size of the angle. It gives the size of the angle. These are the supplement. By the arc, you can say. By the arc. What is this arc? Arc is nothing but the part of the circular path or part of the circle is referred as arc here. Got it? Whatever angle that this arc is obtained on the center, its size can be obtained with the help of degree. Simple word. Now, the total angle swept by a complete circle is nothing but 360 degree. Angle swept by a complete circle is nothing but 360 degree. How is it so? Suppose the particle is present here and start moving in the clockwise direction. Now, it moves along the circle and after some time it returns back to its original position. If it happens so, the angle swept by this line will be equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now let's find out the relation between degree and radian. Relation between degree and radian. Degree and radian. Let's do it. Okay. Let's find out the relation between these two. Yeah, remember 360 degree. 360 degrees. Now there is a symbol of a degree. Okay. Now if we write a O as the superscript with some number, then it represents a degree. 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. Now we know the value of a pi. Okay, this is the relation between these two. Now, to get the value of 1 radian in degrees, You'll see what I'm going to do very carefully. I'm using a simple trick. I keep a 2 pi as such. Then the place of a radian, I write 1 radian. 1 radian. Okay. Now if you multiply this 2, you will get a 2 pi. Understand? On this side, 360 is kept as such. Now afterward, I keep up 1 radian here, 1 radian here, and that 2 pi is taken to the left hand side. 360 degree. When it is taken to the left hand side, it will divide. 2 pi will come back. Okay, this is the value of 1 radian. Now let me simplify this to some more extent. Now before doing so, I just change its position. I write it this way: 1 radian. 360 degree and then 2 pi. Okay, if you want, you can also write it as 1 rad. Now, what is the value of pi? We know the value of pi. Value of pi is approximate value. Pi is 3.14. 3.14. Okay, is the approximate value of pi. Now, if you multiply this two, what do you get? You get this 360 degree divided by 6.28. What's that? 1 rad. And this is the abbreviated form of radian. Okay, now I'm going to divide this. If you divide, you get the value. Around to be equal to 57 degree approximately radian around rad is approximately equal to 57 degree. Here this is the symbol of approximate. When I write the equal to sign in this manner, see, this is the equal to sign. If you write it like this, it means they are not equal. Now, if you write a straight line and above that, if you write a wave like a thing, it means they are approximately equal. Okay, so 1 rad or 1 radian is approximately equal to 57 degree. Now, if you divide this using a calculator, you can get a values in decimal points. Okay, anyhow, so 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, and here this can also be, if a 360 degree is equal to 2 pi, then what is the value of 1 pi? From here, 1 pi is equal to 180 degree. You remember this? Okay, I hope you have understood the relation between degree and radian. If you have any kind of doubt relevant to the topic, kindly put a question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.